Hey, hi.
Mm,
Hey, what happened? You're looking so dull.
Yeah, I actually completed my graduation and I wanted to be a software engineer actually.
Okay.
I don't know what path to choose. I'm so confused and stuck actually.
Why don't you apply in any website regarding job?
I did apply in every website I've seen, but no notification came yet.
Then why don't you visit LiveTech once?
What's LiveTech?
Like LiveTech is an placement institute where they teach us like Java, Python, and testing tools. They do provide like placement assistance. They have like 3,000 plus companies tie up with them, and they are providing mock interviews, resume preparation classes, and they are assisting the students also.
What's so special about LiveTech?
They'll be helping you in career guidance, resume preparation classes, and interview questions and interview preparation and placement assistance. Uh, until you placed into your job, they'll be guiding you in everything.
Oh, so good.
Yep.
Yeah. How can I reach them?
I'll be sharing your details below.
Okay, thank you so much.